world wrong. Zero religion with a standard, abuse governmental actions, and the states are wrong assert. Miscomplicated history, cultural corrupted ways. Done the public into ignorant sheep. The best of the best, the best of the world, the USA. Singing, no drowning in ACM access coming in. And the best of the world has struggled to keep up with the mess. It seems America got it right by doing the rest of the world wrong. Human rights, justice, democratic rule, freedom, equality, all a total fuck you. Empty words the president slurs in every speech, while scheming behind closed doors with the CIA to undermine democracy.